Welcome to this technical guide on the Vorwerk VK140. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Vorwerk VK140 isn't turning on, it might be due to a damaged cable. Over time, cables can wear out or become frayed, leading to a complete loss of power. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage to your device, potentially increasing repair costs. To get started with this repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement cable compatible with the Vorwerk VK140, some electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. First, ensure your device is unplugged and turned off. Begin by gently prying open the casing of the Vorwerk VK140 using a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, locate the damaged cable. It will likely be visibly frayed or broken. To replace it, carefully disconnect the old cable by unscrewing any screws securing it in place. Use a screwdriver that fits snugly to avoid stripping the screws. When extracting the cable, remember to note how it is routed through the device, as this will help you when installing the new one. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new cable and thread it through the same path as the old one. Secure it in place with screws, ensuring it is tight but not overly so, as this could damage the cable. Once secured, reconnect any wires or components you may have disconnected. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to test the device. Plug it in and check if it powers on. If everything is functioning correctly, proceed to close the device by carefully snapping the casing back into place, ensuring no cables are pinched in the process. If you want to avoid this issue in the future, consider using a cable protector or being mindful of how you store your device to prevent undue stress on the cables. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.